Hello dear students, my name is Dr. Vaishali Ghai and the name of this channel is Tricks by Chemistry Guru. So today in continuation with second chapter, we'll discuss about the filling of orbitals in atoms. For this we have the first principle is Aufbau principle, which states that filling of electron in any orbital takes place in the increasing order of their energy. It means that electrons first occupy the lowest energy level and then it will enter into higher energy level only when the lower energy is completely filled. So he has given an arrangement. I have just written 1s, then 2s, then 3s, one below each other, 2p, 3p, 4p this way, 3d, 4f, and then I'll just make a straight line that joins 2p and 3s. Draw all lines parallel to this one. I have drawn that Aufbau has told an arrangement. Basically, what is this arrangement? The arrangement is the order of the orbitals in the increasing order of their energy. It goes like this: 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s, then 3d. So if I start with 1s, it goes 2s, it goes 2p, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s, then 3d, then 4p, then 5s, then 4d, and so on it goes. So this is basically the order in the increasing order of their energy level that comes from this arrangement. So this order has to be remembered starting from 1s at least, so that you can fill up to 30 electrons in an atom. So suppose you would like to fill electron in hydrogen atom which has only one electron. So how do I start? 1s will go with one electron. If I move to helium which has two electrons, 1s will go with 2 electrons. So superscript shows the number of electrons. Now make sure that S can accommodate only 2 electrons. This is maximum. P can have only 6, D can have 10, and F can have 14 electrons up to the most. That means this is the maximum limit for any orbital. If S is completely occupied, then in the next atom we have total 3 electrons. So I'll finish with this 1s with 2 electrons, as the capacity of S is only 2, and then I'll move to 2s, can be filled with 1 electron. So 1s2, 2s1. If I'll go with beryllium which has 4 electrons, it becomes 1s2, 2s2. Now 2s is again completely filled. After 2s we have 2p. So next element we have is boron with 5 electrons. So I'll start writing as 1s2, 2s2, total of 4 electrons have been filled. We have total 5 electrons. So next fifth electron will go to 2p. So it becomes 2p1. And since p can accommodate maximum of 6 electrons, so boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and last is neon which has 10 electrons in it. The configuration goes like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So this is 2p2, 2p3, 2p4, 2p5, and neon goes 2p6. After neon, if I have sodium, so sodium for 11, I'll write this neon as the arrangement. I'll write this neon in square bracket. That means taking any previous noble gas configuration by writing its symbol in square bracket, which itself means I'm talking about this whole configuration. So I have written neon. It means I'm talking about 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. I have filled all 10 electrons, and then after 2p we have next order is of 3s. So next electron will go to 3s1, and so on it will continue till argon. Argon is 18. So for argon we have the configuration as 3s2, 3p6. इसके आगे हमारे पास we have neon with 10 electrons, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 6, 18. So total 18 electrons have been filled with argon. So this is how the Aufbau principle is used for filling electrons in atoms. Okay, so this is how it takes place. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel.